What's going on, YouTube? On today's video, we are gonna be continuing working on the Ram. Nothing is new. Plan of order is to vacuum it. I kind of started vacuuming, but it's still very dirty over there. That's the before and after. Before and after. And yeah, gotta swap out the heater box, swap out the wiring harness, and just keep going. Keep chucking away. There's still a ton to do on this thing. I'm kind of getting burnt out because I've been working at this for about almost 2 weeks now, and man, it doesn't seem like it's ever gonna end. So I appreciate you guys, tuning in and liking and commenting on these. If you hit that notification bell, subscribe and hit that notification bell, it would really help out a lot. I'm not a big YouTuber, and I just wanted to share with you guys, the stuff that I do almost every day. So, but this is my personal project, and yeah, just wanted to kind of like touch base on everything that's going on. So I am still doing other projects simultaneously, well, parallel to the one that I'm working on now. We're still working on this white Ram right here, and still got to put all the interior back into this one. See, we have to take pretty much all of it, the passenger side seat, the rear seat, and pull the carpet back so we could work on the pillar. And yeah, besides this project, I'm not really getting paid on this one. This is more of like a favor for a family friend. So I'm not getting paid on my project. I'm not getting paid on this project. I do have this Subaru, this Legacy. Well, it's an Outback. This one had a little bit of frame damage right there, so we pulled that back a little bit. Now I just got to do some subframe work and put a new hood on it and button this one up. So this is a 2020, right around there. So I am doing all these projects parallel to the one that I'm working on now, plus I'm running around like a headless chicken, and lots of stuff that's still got to get done around the shop, and at the same time making YouTube videos. So hope you guys excuse my not lack of content, but spontaneity. There's a lot that goes into this. Hopefully someday I'll be able to do this full-time, and just focus mainly on YouTube videos. But I do have 4 kids at home, so I still have to make a living. And while this doesn't provide any food on my table yet, hopefully you guys will understand, and this channel will grow into something, and we'll see. Maybe I'll be the next Cletus McFarland or something. Who knows? Doubt it, but I appreciate you guys, tuning in and taking a look at, a glimpse of my daily life. So as hectic as it may be. So enjoy the time lapses as always, and stay tuned. So finally got the carpet out and got the heater box out. Now I just gotta pull some wiring harness and transfer everything into the other truck and start swapping everything over in the complete opposite pattern that I took it all out. So all of this has to go in there. Fun. I know I keep saying fun, but yeah, it's kind of fun. Kinda. Not really, but kinda. So first issue that I'm having is there was this body control module here, and as you can see, it has those screws right there. Mine doesn't have those. So I think what I'm gonna have to do is I'm gonna have to take this bracket, place it where I need to place it, make a mark, drill a hole, and then throw some rib nuts in it. So that'll give me the opportunity to fasten the body control module to it. All it is just 3 holes, this one and these 2. So I'm gonna have to pull that bracket off on my truck and refasten everything. All right, now that we got our holes made and riveted, and just like that, using some ingenuity and a rivet gun, the bracket is now in place. Good stuff. Hopefully I don't have to do too many of these, but either way, I'll keep the bracket out. Not the bracket, but the gun out, just in case I do end up having to make some more rivet holes. So finally got the wiring harness out of this thing. It's all taken apart, and got the headliner out. It is destroyed, but I do need the speakers out of it because I need to fabricate those speakers into that headliner, because that headliner doesn't have speakers. And yeah, gonna start taking all this out and then putting it in there. Just took a trip to the dealership, picked up this sucker. Looks so nice, I don't even want to install it compared to that one. Fresh, fresh, fresh. That good. Me gusta. It's nice. It's real nice. I like. Got all the wiring swapped over from the red one. Doesn't look like a lot, but this pretty much took me all day. But I'm about to throw the carpet in. This is the old wiring. And lots of it. So I got the carpet in. Vacuumed it real nice. I put the old skeleton, the old frame of the dash from the red one over there. And the problem I'm having is the other side is actually bolted up, but it's kind of like just loosely bolted up. The one here, there's a pin that goes into that hole right there, and that pin is off about almost an inch. So this this frame collapsed. So that sucks, because now I gotta swap the wiring harness from one to the other onto this one, which is the old one, original to this cab. So, and yeah, I guess I'll just do that tomorrow and start throwing the dash in it, you know, the brand new dash, and possibly the seats, probably the rear seats. I don't like the way the front seats are. The front seats are kind of junky on this. It had a lot of snow on it for almost like 4 years, so the leather shrunk and it doesn't sit right with me. So, and I can't sit right in it. So I think that's going to be it for today's video, guys. Again, like, comment, subscribe. Every little bit helps. Make sure your post notifications are on so you don't miss out on any more videos. And if you like this stuff, I'll be back at it again tomorrow. Peace out.